The sequence of wafers is A1, usually missing, but we input 1 as default, A2, A3, A4, A5. Usually we input 3 as default. If not, we will try to input 5. A6, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Usually missing, but we input 3 as default. After disassemble the cylinder, we can see the numbers of side A are Z1, Z5, Z5, Z1. Z1 and the numbers of side B are Z4, Z3, Z3, Z2. According to our above instruction, the biting numbers will be probably 115531 for side A and 43323 for side B. Click Search and input Honda 2020 to enter the key data page. Click Input to input the biting numbers of side A. Then click OK. And click Switch. And click Input to input the biting numbers of side B. Then click OK. After inputting all biting numbers, we can continue to cut a new key. As our last step is to decoder side B, you don't need to switch to side A, but continue to cut side B firstly. It will not affect the cutting accuracy. What we show you is the side B of a new key blank and put the side B of the new key blank on the new Honda key job. And put the new Honda key jaw with key blank on the automobile key jaw. You can either use 2.0mm cutter, but the feed speed must be less than or equal to 3, otherwise it will break the cutter, or use 2.5mm cutter and never mind the feed speed, then click Cut to start cutting. After cutting is done, please clean the shavings on the jaw, otherwise it will affect the cutting accuracy. Click Switch to cut side A, then fix the side A of the key blank on the new Honda key jaw. Then put the new Honda key jaw with key blank on the automobile key jaw. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done. Please clean the shavings and test that the new key works well.